Hello everybody, my name is Farhad. I am a feedback strategies course student. Today I would like to talk about the strategy plan for implementation of how we can students switch and shift from the fixed mindset to the growth and learner's mindset in architectural course. I have developed a weblog that I'm gonna share the link in the appropriate form in a course. And in this weblog, I would ask a student to refer to this weblog. This strategy has been designed according to the resources available in a course. I used some of them and is based on my experience as well related to the architectural course after 27 years teaching in this field. So the start of this plan is based on a first step is creating an influencer strategy. It means I link a student to the famous person that who have a thought about switching from the fixed mindset to the growth mindset, such as using the comprehensive resource in a TED Talk, for example, for the speech of the Dweck. This helps a student to have a brainstorm. This means start to think why we need that. And this influencer strategy, I do believe that is very important to encourage a student to follow you, to be a follower of the instructor. I think this course is very, very important for everybody. I do believe if I want to provide my idea about this course, I think this is one of the most important and comprehensive course that I have ever had in my life, honestly. Because I start to think differently about how I can help people to switch. I was always thinking why the people they are not able to understand your opinion. You are trying to help them, but they don't accept that. It's happened in a course, in a class, always. No, in this course, I found we have to help them to switch from the fixed mindset to the growth mindset. And instead of providing a feedback, I mean criticizing their work, we should provide a path, a tools for the future, how they will be able to be a self-control, self-assess, how they will be able to find their way in the future. I mean, this a way of feedback. I'm not able to say that is a feedback. I think this is not feedback. This is a feed forward. Is much better than providing a feedback because we are giving a tools, a light in their hand to find their path in the future. But to accept this idea, we need to provide this system. So referring to our topic, the step one is talking about the be influencer. To be influencer, we need to update our knowledge. We have to control and check our behavior, our techniques also. The same as the kids. When they are child, they accept whatever we tell to them or we ask them. But when they raise in the age of 15, they don't accept our opinion, maybe. This is a difference between the feedback and feed forward. In step two, I will build a mindset awareness. I will provide some idea about the scientific, American brain pickings, those stuff to help them to understand the difference between the having fixed mindset and growth mindset and learner mindset. And in stage three, I will develop some idea. I will provide some idea about the real world example. For example, I will identify the successful architect that used growth mindset to show them how they're gonna be use this technique if they change their view, and how important and how useful this will be for them. And then I will also provide an interactive discussion and group work to help them to develop their idea, to discuss about this matter, to, for example, working and thinking about the people they have a fixed mindset and criticize with those having a growth mindset and learners. And I will also provide some testimonials. I will bring or link a student to those student, their former student that they have used this technique and how successful they are. And this is gonna support my idea and my view. An integrated learning resource always will be provided for a student, such as a case study, articles, to help them to understand a way and importance of the having growth mindset and how they can reach to that. And periodic, I will provide a self-assessment for them to check their knowledge, their understanding, to understand, to help them to make sure they are in the right track and they got the idea of the having a growth mindset. And a scaffold challenge also, I will provide a challenging assignment to help them risk taking, because sometimes people, they are fixed because they don't want to change and it's tough for them. And in a different way, if we provide some risk taking exercise or assignment, it helps them to break their condition, to start to change their views. And these techniques, I do believe, that help every instructor to make a strategy to implement this plan properly, and they will be successful to help a student to follow them. One more time, in a conclusion, I would like to talk about this technique. Implementation of this technique is really important in every course, because it's make everything smooth and is provide a feed forward technique for a student, and student accept our idea, our opinion, our criticism very well. Thank you very much for accepting and for having me, for your spending time as well. Have a wonderful day.